Male genital system. Slides for examples of male genital system. Testis and epididymis, examined by naked eye and eyepiece and low power. An example of excretory passages. Vas deferens, examined by eyepiece and low power. Spermatic cord, examined by naked eye and eyepiece. Prostate, examined by naked eye and eyepiece. Section of the penis, examined by naked eye and eyepiece. Testis and epididymis. By naked eye, it shows two rounded sections, a large one which represents the testis and a small one which represents the epididymis, each containing small circles inside. By eyepiece, seminiferous tubules are seen as small circles in the testis lined with a special type of stratified epithelium, germinal epithelium, and containing sperms inside. Epididymis is also detected formed of many convoluted tubules lined with pseudostratified columnar ciliated epithelium and containing sperms inside. Testis and epididymis by low power. The testis shows multiple seminiferous tubules, small in size, lined with a special type of stratified epithelium, spermatogenic epithelium, and containing sperms inside. Interstitial cells of Leydig are present between the seminiferous tubules. Epididymis is also detected, formed of many convoluted tubules lined with pseudostratified columnar, partially ciliated epithelium. The tubules show sperms in their lumen. Testis and epididymis by low power. The testis shows multiple seminiferous tubules, small in size, lined with a special type of stratified epithelium, spermatogenic epithelium, and containing sperms inside. Interstitial cells of Leydig are present between the seminiferous tubules. Epididymis is also detected, formed of many convoluted tubules lined with pseudostratified columnar, partially ciliated epithelium. The tubules show sperms in their lumen. Vas deferens. By eyepiece, it is a very small hollowed section, formed of mucosa, thick musculosa, and adventitia. By low power, mucosa is irregular, slightly folded, formed of pseudostratified columnar ciliated epithelium resting on a narrow corium. Musculosa is very thick and prominent, formed of three layers, inner and outer longitudinal and middle circular, then adventitia of loose connective tissue. Vas deferens is an example of extratesticular excretory passage for the passage of semen. Spermatic cord, examined by naked eye and eyepiece, contains several structures embedded in loose connective tissue. It contains transverse sections in vas deferens, transverse section of striated involuntary skeletal muscle, cremasteric muscle, pampiniform plexus of veins, testicular artery and vein, together with some nerve fibers. Prostatic gland is a large exocrine gland surrounding the first part of the male urethra, prostatic urethra, which is V-shaped. Prostatic gland is made of stroma and parenchyma. Stroma is made of capsule and trabeculae, while parenchyma is made of acini arranged concentrically in 3 levels around the prostatic urethra. Mucosal groups around the urethra, submucosal groups outside the mucosal glands, outer or main groups found underneath the capsule. Penis. It is rounded with characteristic shape, covered with skin, and is formed of 3 corpora of erectile tissue, 2 dorsal corpora cavernosa and a ventral corpus spongiosum. Each corpora is made of erectile tissue composed of blood spaces surrounded by muscles. Each corpora is covered by tunica albuginea, and the 3 corpora are surrounded by fascia penis. Corpus spongiosum is traversed by the penile urethra.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
قل أتحاجوننا في الله وهو ربنا وربكم ولنا أعمالنا ولكم أعمالكم ونحن له مخلصون